Lesson 1. Why physics comes before economics. Most people think economics is about money, budgets, markets, interest rates, government decisions. But here's the truth. Economics is not the foundation of the system. Physics is. Before prices, before policies, before inflation charts, there are physical rules that every society must obey. They don't vote. They don't negotiate. They don't care about political opinions. They are constraints. Economics is not the base layer of reality. Physics is. Money operates inside physical limits, not above them. Every economic action is a physical action. Let's make this simple. Every time something is made, moved, fixed, or built, physical work is happening. And physical work always needs three things: energy, fuel, electricity, food for workers, materials, metals, minerals, wood, water, chemicals. Time. Human hours, machine hours, transport time. No exceptions. A hospital isn't just a building. It runs on electricity, steel, plastics, medicine, and trained people. A farm doesn't just grow food. It needs soil, water, fertilizer, machinery, and fuel. A tech company doesn't live in the cloud. It depends on data centers filled with rare metals, cooling systems, and massive power use. Money helps organize all this. But here's the key. Money cannot replace energy. Money cannot replace materials. Money cannot create more time. Governments can create money instantly, but you cannot create oil, copper, farmland, or skilled workers instantly. Every product, service, and system depends on energy, materials, and time. Money can organize these, but it cannot replace them. Money is a claim, not the thing itself. Money feels powerful, but money is not the real thing. Money is a claim on real resources. When you buy food, you're not consuming dollars. You're consuming land, water, fertilizer, fuel, transport, and labor. When a government prints money, it creates more financial claims, but it does not automatically create more. Oil in the ground, metals in mines, fertile soil, power plants, skilled workers. If the number of money claims grows faster than real resources, something has to give. Prices rise, shortages appear, systems strain. Not because money is evil, but because claims outran reality. Money represents a claim on real resources. When claims grow faster than reality, pressure builds somewhere in the system. Physics does not care about policy. Economic rules can change. Interest rates can change. Taxes can change. Debt can expand. But physical limits do not care about any of that. You cannot vote for more oil in a depleted field. You cannot pass a law that makes copper easier to mine. You cannot legislate more hours into a human day. When an economy hits a physical constraint, financial tools stop working the same way. You can shift numbers around, but you cannot cheat physics. Policies can change financial rules, but they cannot override physical limits. When reality pushes back, economics must adjust. Why this is starting to matter. For many decades, societies had expanding access to cheap energy, easy to extract materials, growing workforces, expanding infrastructure. During that time, financial growth and physical growth moved together. It felt like money and policy were creating prosperity. But when physical growth slows, when energy is harder to extract, materials require more effort, or populations age, money stops stretching as far. More spending doesn't mean more output. This is why today we see prices rising even without obvious shortages. Growth that looks fine on paper but feels weak in real life. Systems that seem stable until something small breaks them. Not because economics suddenly became stupid, but because economics is now bumping into physics. As physical growth slows, financial tools lose their power to smooth problems. This is why systems feel more strained today. The core idea to carry forward. From this point on, remember this. Economics operates inside physical reality. It does not control physical reality. Money coordinates activity. Energy and materials make activity possible. If you understand this, the rest of the course will feel logical and connected. If you ignore this, everything later will feel confusing, political, or contradictory. This is the foundation. And once you truly see it, you start understanding the world at a deeper, more strategic level than most people ever do.